I know you see the blizzard out there, ripping houses, belongings, even people and their pets to shreds. But you want to know what else I know you see? Me, Big Brother, naked and right at the center of it, dancing with it, challenging it. But how can you, little old you, do it too? Now, before I explain my relationship to the blizzard, I would like you to understand that to dance with the blizzard is just not enough. You gotta challenge it. And to do that, you're gonna need to protect your five senses. You're gonna need to feed your five senses nothing but health. See, majority of people out there, they're looking at the wrong things, listening to the wrong things, eating the wrong things. They're not smelling what's in the air. And last but not least, they're simply numb to the touch. So, that being said, if you do those things, you will for sure triumph over the blizzard. As of my relationship to it, I give it comfort, and I'm its big brother too.